Hello everyone, I'm Kuang Yang, and our project owner is Masood Sajadi. Today I will to introduce the M3 GUI. Our project owner Masood Sajadi asked us to find the best GUI. I go to find it on the internet for a long time. Then we are now good GUI basic it is to charge. So I just compared the I find GUI and the ZWay. I personally think that the introduction of MQL5 easy and fast GUI is better, because we want to use the user operation panel, and I found EasyGo doesn't seem to have these functions. Then I will make a brief introduction of easy and fast GUI class library. And here is our easy and fast GUI class library, and we can see there have a lot of classes. Easy and fast GUI just at the bottom of the theme, because easy and fast GUI MQL5 class libraries. So if there will be many errors and bugs introduced directly, and it's right if you want to write your control, just use the easy and fast GUI. Is very complicated. So the GUI, this class, encapsulation. This is a encapsulation about the easy and fast GUI. Again, makes the code more simple, and you can do a code and user control. For example, here I do oh wait, here you can see if I want to do a button, and I just want to write one sentence, and I can get a control. And behind each control is a class. So how exactly does the GUI class work? Let's start with this spin edit C. Here are some of his attributes. You can see this attribute is for work with to help this class, and here is the moment. Let me see. Yeah, here this onClickable is on. Here the onClickLabel method generates an event, and one of the key points here is that the event chart customer function. This is an event to launch function that it receives this event and produce another event, and this event back to the main interface. This event has the label. This is this onClickLabel. All the functionality encapsulated in the GUI classes is sent as an event via event chart customer. The button click in the GUI classes like this. Yeah, here the button click. You can do many function in here, and to reflect to your button click event. For example, it's this button click function is associated with on event. Let me see. Yeah, here they're associated with on event. When you click on the button, the simple button class to capture this event. Simple button, yeah. It captures this event. Here we go. Yeah, here. This is on click button and capture this event, and the event chart customer will send the event to the GUI class is on event. Here, he will judge. This is the he will judge the button click event, and then call the button on click this method. Call this button click method. Call this button click method. And then here you can write a code to respond to a button click event. In general, this GUI class library introduces the easy and fast GUI of MQL5. What it does is encapsulate functions that work in MQL4, making it easier to write controls. Actually, I just recover some bugs and encapsulate some function into this GUI. Into this GUI class, and because if you want just to use the easy and fast GUI into MQL4, it will have many bugs and errors, so you can't directly use the easy and fast GUI. You need to do some encapsulate and recover some bugs and adjust some functions. Okay, thanks for your watch. See you guys next time.